Yo, what's up guys? How's it going? In today's video we're going to be showing you how to get verified so you can make videos longer, for example longer than 15 minutes, and you can make you can just do a lot more things than if you're not verified in any way or you have the standard verification. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to go into here and press on your YouTube account. Then, once you press on your YouTube account, you're going to go down to press on YouTube Studio. Once you're on your YouTube Studio, and you can see all your analytics, you'll go down here and you'll press on Settings. Then, once on Settings, you'll go to Channel and Feature Eligibility. Once you're in Feature Eligibility, you'll see Standard Features, which should definitely be enabled. Intermediate features, as you can see, videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails and live streaming, and advanced features, increased daily video uploads and live streams, and eligibility for monetization. If you don't plan on getting monetized at the moment, then personally what I would go for is intermediate features. And when it comes to intermediate features, I've already done it, so I will just be telling you what to do. But you will go on here and you'll press a verify button, or the obvious button to make you go through to the next thing, and it will say and you'll have two options. You'll have someone giving you a voice message, and you'll have someone like a text from the company. Personally, I go text, so I have better time to respond, and it's just more simple, I think. So you can go with that, or you can go with a voice message, whatever one you want, and then you'll put in your phone number so they know where to obviously where to put your number in. And once they're done putting your the text, you just put in the verification code they'll give you, and easy as that, you have intermediate features enabled, and you'll finally be able to make videos over 15 minutes, have custom thumbnails, and start live streaming. If you enjoyed, drop down a sub below, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace!